30-minute workouts, 20-minute recipes, 10-minute mindfulness. Ready to become? Get Feel on the App Store or Google Play. Have you ever tried doing a core workout and instead of feeling your abs, you feel the strain and pain on your lower back and neck? Now, it can be tough to stick through the entire workout if you're constantly in pain and discomfort. To understand why this happens, you first have to remember that the abs and your lower back are both part of your core. The core wraps around the entire body. Now, this includes your abs, obliques, as well as your lower back. We need the muscles in our core to support and stabilize our bodies in everything we do. Hence, lower back pain during any core exercises can be, first, a sign that your core is too weak to do that exercise. Hence, your lower back may compensate in some ab exercises and end up taking too much of the load. Second, your form is off. For instance, when performing a crunch, instead of engaging your core and lifting your shoulders off the floor, you end up straining your neck by lifting your head off the floor first. Third, muscle tightness and fatigue. As your muscles get tired, they stop functioning properly, and your body will instinctively look for nearby muscle groups to compensate. This might be the case on the last few reps. If this sounds like you, well, start adding these ab exercises to strengthen your core without adding the extra tension on your lower back and neck. Dead bug. This exercise allows movement of the hips and arms without moving the spine. Lie flat on your back with your arms extended up to the ceiling and your knees and hips bent to 90 degrees. Keeping your ribcage down and back fully rested on the floor, extend your opposite arm and leg out. Return to the starting position and repeat the movement on the opposite side. Avoid arching your lower back. Keep it fully rested on the floor throughout. Plank with one knee bent. Do you find yourself in these positions? Arched lower back or butt up? If you struggle to keep your body in a straight line and experience lower back pain when performing a plank, then start off by doing plank with one knee bent. This plank variation helps to reduce the pressure on your spine and puts more tension on the abdominal muscles. So it helps to properly strengthen your core without getting the lower back sore. As your core gets stronger, then get on both feet and perform a normal plank. Raised leg crunches. Raised leg crunches are much more superior and lower back friendly compared to regular crunches. By keeping your legs in a 90-degree position, this helps to deactivate the hip flexors and keep the lower back flat against the floor. So, there are no flexion or extension happening in your lumbar spine if the exercise is done correctly. This way, your abs are forced to do all the work. If your neck is coming up first, watch out. To avoid neck pain, do not place your hands behind your head because this will tempt you to pull forward and lift your neck up. Do not jerk your head forward or use momentum to lift yourself up. Place your hands next to your head and focus on engaging your core to lift yourself off. Your head, neck, and abs should be in one straight line. And remember, as you crunch up, engage your core and aim to lift your shoulders off the floor. Do not rush through the movement. Use this exercise to develop a proper strength in your upper abs while reducing the risk of lower back or neck pain. Side plank. We know that our core also consists of the oblique muscles. Hence, we got to strengthen that as well. Side plank is extremely effective to target the obliques and lower back. Start in a forward plank hold position. Slowly rotate over to one side, putting the weight on your left arm and foot. The elbow should be directly under the shoulder. Place your right arm on your hip. Avoid sinking your hips down to the ground because this can cause strain in the lower back. Be sure to keep your ab muscles tight and hips raised throughout the exercise. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds and slowly rotate back to the starting position. And hold the side plank on the other side. If this gets too tough, Then place your top leg in front as balance. And the last workout is Superman. Superman is a great exercise to strengthen the muscles along your spine. Lie on your stomach, legs straight out and arms stretched overhead. Engage your ab muscles and raise the opposite arm and leg off the floor. Hold for 3 to 5 breaths. Slowly lower them down and repeat on the opposite side. Continue alternating for a total of 10 reps. Avoid looking forward, which will add extra strain on your neck. Keep your neck in a neutral position by looking down throughout the exercise. These are 5 exercises which will strengthen your core without adding the strain on your lower back and neck. Be sure to like this video and share this video to someone who might find it useful. Don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out more workout videos, fitness tips, as well as recipes right here. All the best!